Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Starting with the week, as expected, we can see that gold currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade in this lower time frame, let's quickly look at the highest time frame on gold, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in the market. Now, looking at monthly chart, we can see that gold is long-term bull market as we expected. Gold, after forming this inverted head and shoulder, there is a strong breakout followed by a pullback, and with this pullback we can see that later after this doji formation, gold has formed this strong bullish candle. Now this monthly candle in the first quarter of the month, the market initially has dropped to that support level, and we can see that it's now to the upside again. As long term flow in the market is bullish, we can expect now a retest of this monthly resistance. What I think that gold may try to break this high, or even could try to break this long term resistance level, and it may even create an all-time high. As due to the fundamental factor, we might see that gold is moving back to the upside. Dropping down to the weekly chart to see how the market is doing, we can see that from the weekly, the market opened today early with a gap, and after initial drop, which is initial pullback, the market started to bounce back up. As we can see, it's approaching that resistance. We might see a sudden breakout, expecting it to break the weekly high or even retest this weekly resistance level. So we can expect further upside on gold. As we can see, monthly and weekly is long-term bull market. Previous weekly candle is a long week doji, expecting it to break above before dropping down for weak fill or even a complete continuation to the upside. As we can see also from the weekly, there is an inverted head and shoulder breakout pullback, and we can expect the trend continuation. Dropping down to the daily to see a little more clearer picture, we can see that there is a daily bullish engulfer followed by daily doji, which is in fact a potential continuation pattern. And today we can see that once the market opened with a big gap here on the daily, the market started to bounce back up. And as you can see, this is where there is a quite a few resistance. Daily candle form a doji resistance, and also the resistance here, which is turning resistance, and we might see a retest of this level. If we look at the 4 hour time frame, from this lower time frame perspective, we can see that there is a weakless candle, which we might see a gap open in other platform, and this is where there is liquidity. And as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect now gold to bounce back up to that liquidity zone. Now, according to our liquidity candle, we can see that multiple liquidity grab in that area, and what we could see that gold is maintaining that momentum. As back to back quite a few strong liquidity candle formation can give gold a very high momentum to return back to this 2550 level. And I think that if the market is pushing high, it might even break the 2477 level potentially. So 15-minute chart from day trading perspective, we can see that the market here is maintaining a very strong bullish market structure. We saw a complete breakout followed by a pullback, and we can see another breakout, again another narrow pullback. The market structure is significantly bullish, so this is where we are already running a trade in that area, expecting to give us another suitable entry. If we see lower time frame price action confirmation, again any strong liquidity grab can give another entry opportunity on gold. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also join the free Telegram channel. You can find a link below this video in the description area. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.